Hello, we are in lab 11.1.9 and we are going to implement intrusion prevention. So you work as the IT security administrator for a small corporate network. In an effort to protect your network from security threats and hackers, you have added Snort to pfSense. With Snort already installed, you need to configure rules and settings and then assign Snort to the desired interface. In this lab, your task is to use pfSense Snort to complete the following. Sign into pfSense using the following username, admin, and the password also. And we also to configure the following rules to be downloaded. Okay. And let's see what else. To configure rule updates to happen every 4 days at 12:10 a.m. and we are to block offending hosts for 1 day. Send all alerts to the system log when Snort start and stop. Assign Snort to the one interface using Snort 1 as a description. Then start Snort on the one interface. Okay, so I guess we'll start up. Oh, sorry, that was an error. Remember, this is lab 11.1.9 and let us start up right away. In case you find this video to be too fast for you, in order to work at your own pace, you can always pause the video and match every move I make in this video, because I'll try to make this video as short as possible. Alright, so let's start up right away. We are in pfSense. We are going to provide the username and password provided, and we are now in pfSense. So let's see, the first task is to configure the following rules to download Snort free access register. So we go to Snort here, global settings. Let's see, Snort free register. So we go to so we're going to copy and paste this, or you can type it out yourself. So scroll, enable this, Snort gateway rules, enable this, and source open ID, enable this, detectors APID, enable this, and then configure rule updates every 4 days, 12 a.m. 4 days, and then 12:10 a.m. Alright, so and then we are going to enable hide any. Okay, so let's see, 1 day, and block offending, send all alerts to the system log when Snort starts and stops. And then what else are we doing? Shut down, click on output, then we save. Is there anything we're missing here? Let's see. Let's just check to be sure. Okay, so we save. We go to Snort interfaces, and then let's see. We go to 1. Description is going to be Snort-1, and let's see, sending alerts to the system log. So we check this. Automatically blocking hosts that generate a Snort alert. So block offenders, we check this, and let's see, we check this. Okay, let's see what we have here. What do we have here? Okay, so this is checked, and what else is left here? So we save this and then turn. We play this, and this is checked. So if this video was helpful, remember to share so that others can benefit also. Like and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.